What is up, guys? Welcome back to another Shift for Success, and in today's video we're going to talk about finding your niche and researching it, because finding your niche is probably the most important thing you can do for your channel. Finding your niche enables you to do research on the right topic so that you can stay consistent in your videos. Your niche is essentially an overall topic on your channel for what you're gonna talk about regularly, something that you are gonna discuss regularly. For example, like gaming, DIY projects, cars, and a lot of stuff like that, right? Have a niche in a specific topic so that you can talk about it regularly. Now, you want to pick a niche that you know a lot about, something that you can be an expert on. Because even if you don't think you're an expert, when people tune into your channel to watch your videos, they automatically see you as an authority figure. And the reasoning is because they're coming to your channel to get the knowledge and information that you provide for them so that they can replicate it, right? So you want to find something that you're an expert on, even if it's for entertainment value, right? Because in the entertainment industry, people watch your video to kind of live through your life with you, so to speak, thus making you an authority figure in this portion, right? So, once you've chosen a topic for your channel, before you create your channel, it's important to do research on your niche. And by that, I mean research your niche on YouTube. And it's really important that when you're doing that you pay attention to the market for your niche on YouTube. Like, how many people are watching these types of videos, right? How many subscribers do these channels in the same niche have, right? And it's important to make sure that your niche is unique, but not so unique that you don't have a market for it or an audience for your videos, right? So it's important to pay attention to see if there's a market. You can do this by researching on YouTube, Instagram, Reddit, and even TikTok nowadays. It will help you get an understanding on if your niche is something that people are looking for. Because you don't want to make videos and there's only like 100 people out there looking for your video. You want to make sure that you're in a topic where there's a good sized audience, right? I wouldn't say pick the most or the biggest size audience, because that may be an oversaturated market, but you want to find a good range, right? A market where the views are somewhere between 5,000 and like 100,000. And the subscriber count on those channels is between 5,000 and 100,000, right? Because that's something that you can grow. You don't want to find a market where, every single video has 4 million views, but it's only on these main channels and not across all of the channels evenly. So you want to make sure that it's something obtainable when you're first starting out. But yeah, so now that you've hopefully established what your niche is, you need to get ready to create your channel. Now, next week, I'm going to have a video that comes out on how to design your channel and create your channel in a way that's going to set you up for success later down the road. So, guys, thanks for watching another Shift for Success. If you guys like this video, make sure you click the like button. And if you want more content like this, leave a comment below and let me know, and subscribe. Helps me out. Thanks, guys. I'll see you in the next video.